Hi, my name is Jeffrey José Ruiz. My ID is 2011 22829. This is my second oral presentation for Technical English 2, and I'm going to explain some examples from the laws of thermodynamics. For the zero law, the example is that if you have a beaker, it is going to be the beaker A, and another beaker that is going to be the beaker B. If you put water in both beakers, but the water in the beaker A is going to be above room temperature, and the water in the beaker B is going to be below room temperature. And they are not in contact, but if you wait certain amount of time, you are going to see that the beaker in the temperature in the beaker A is equal to the temperature in the beaker B. That's because they are in thermal equilibrium, and if you have this temperature and you compare with the temperature of the surrounding, you are going to see that it is the same temperature. That's because they are in equilibrium, in thermal equilibrium with each other and with the surrounding. An example for the second law is that if you have a machine, and this machine and you have a heavy object, and the machine is upwards this object, you're going to know that the machine is transferring energy to the object. In this case, that energy is a gravitational potential energy, and that's because the machine is upwards this object. An example for the second law is that if you have a refrigerator, there is going to be an external agent, and this refrigerator is going to heat flows from hot to cold. That's the refrigerator system, and it is an example for the second law. If you want an example for the third law, you need an equilibrium state with 0 grades Kelvin and a crystalline material for which the configurational atomic arrangement is unconstrained. It is always perfectly ordered, and the energy of any other configurational external, including the fully disordered state. That's an example for the third law. These are the examples for the fourth law of thermodynamics. There are a lot of examples, and people who use thermodynamics every day in a job, in their homes, and everywhere. Thank you.